Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the discussion on problems on kinetics. Under this, we are solving problems on D'Alembert's principle. Here, we are going to solve third problem on D'Alembert's principle. The problem is the following figure shows two blocks of weight 100 newtons and 50 newtons placed on two inclined surfaces and connected by an inextensible string. Calculate the acceleration of the system and tension in the string. Take coefficient of friction between planes and blocks is 1 by 3. Here 100 Newton block, 50 Newton block. These two blocks are connected by a string. 100 Newton block is placed on 60 degrees incline and 50 Newton block is placed on 30 degrees incline. Now we'll write the data. Weight of the blocks 100 newtons and 50 newtons. Inclinations with the surface 60 degrees and 30 degrees. T is the tension in the string. F1, F2 frictional force between blocks and inclines. Mu is the coefficient of friction. N1 is the normal reaction from the incline onto the block of weight 100 newtons. N2 is the normal reaction from the incline onto the block of weight 50 newtons. Here we are assuming block of weight 100 Newton is moving down and block of weight 50 Newton is moving up. Draw FBD for the block weighing 100 newtons. This is the block of weight 100 newtons. This is the inclination with the ground 60 degrees. N1 is the normal reaction. Weight always acts vertically down. As the block tends to move down, frictional force acts up along the incline and inertia force also acts up along the incline. T is the tension in the string, always acts away from the body. Now resolve this 100 Newton weight force into forces along the incline and normal to the incline. Consider dynamic equilibrium of the block of weight 100 newtons and apply D'Alembert principle, that is F is equal to ma. Here summation of the forces normal to the incline is equal to 0, then N1 is equal to 100 cos 60 degrees, which implies N1 is equal to 100 cos 60 degrees, that is N1 value becomes 50 newtons. Then we know that F is equal to mu into N1. Mu value is given as 1 by 3. Then consider summation of the forces parallel to the incline is equal to 0. Here from the law of friction, F1 is equal to mu into N1, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 50, which is equal to 16.67 newtons. Then consider the summation of the forces parallel to the incline is equal to 0. Then here T and inertia force 100 by 9.81 into A and F1 are in the same direction, whereas 100 sin 60 in the opposite direction. Then T plus 100 by 9.81 into A minus 100 sin 60 degrees plus F1 is equal to 0. Substitute F1 value here. Then after simplifying that, T plus 100 by 9.81 is equal to 69.93. This is the equation number 1. Next we will move towards drawing FBD for the block 50 newtons. Draw FBD for 50 Newton block. This is the 50 Newton block and this is the incline. This inclination with the ground is 30 degrees. Then T is the tension in the string. Weight always acts vertically down. Normal reaction normal to the incline. Then as the block tends to move up, frictional force acts down along the incline and inertia force also acts down along the incline. How to resolve 50 Newton force along the incline and normal to the incline? This is 50 cos 30 and this is 50 sin 30. Consider the dynamic equilibrium condition and apply the D'Alembert's principle. And forces normal to the incline is equal to 0. Summation of the forces normal to the incline is equal to 0. Then N2 is equal to 50 cos 30, which is equal to 43.30 newtons. Then F2 is equal to mu into N2, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 43.30, which is equal to 14.433. Then consider the summation of the forces along the incline or parallel to the incline is equal to 0. Then F2 plus 50 by 9.81 into A plus 50 sin 30 minus T is equal to 0. After simplifying this, then 50 by 9.81 into A minus T is equal to minus 39.433. This is the equation number 2. By adding the equations 1 and 2, say first equation T plus 100 by 9.81 into A is equal to 69.93 minus T plus 50 by 9.81 into A is equal to minus 39.433. Then we'll get A value as 1.994 meter per second square. Here A is nothing but acceleration. Substitute this A value in equation 1. Then after substituting this A value in the equation 1, we'll get tension T is equal to 49.604 Newton. That is, tension in the string is 49.604 Newtons.